Today we'll talk about the handling unit. First, understand what is the handling unit. The handling unit is nothing but if a product is there, you are packing that with the packaging material. That is called a handling unit. For example, you want to ship a material, okay, and that particular finished goods you're packing in this particular corrugated boxes, and that box you're placing in some pallet, okay, and now your handling unit is a pallet, so and the boxes. So your handling unit includes pallet and this brown box, okay. Therefore, the handling unit is nothing but your product plus the packaging material. In this case, the packaging material is the pallet as well as this brown box. Okay. I'm giving an example of simple handling unit, and this is the realistic scenario. Okay. Now, let's have an example, real-time example, same, like you have a FG material, okay, issued to the customer through the pallet, okay. Now, FG material is, your material type is FERD, and what is your packaging material? It is pallet, and auxiliary packaging material is the box. For example, in a pallet, 400 pieces you are placing, and you're placing the 20 cartons. So in each carton, 20 pieces. Okay, that is the example. Now, this is a outbound logistics scenario. The scenario is, understand the business scenario. You create a sale order in VA01 and you create a delivery with the reference to the sales order in VL01N. Okay. And after this, you want to pick the material and packing the material, and before doing the PGI. So pick the material through the WM process. What is the process of WM? Create a transfer order with respect to the delivery and confirm the transfer order. And how we are going to pack it? By creating the handling unit. One pallet, 400 pieces and 20 cartons, and each carton, 20 pieces. Once you're done with the picking, once you're done with the packing, do the PGI. And of course, finally, the billing. Okay, so understand the business process first. Okay, so what is the business process and what is the requirement here? The requirement here is you need to ship the material, your FG, through a pallet, and on the pallet you have the 20 boxes, in each box 20 pieces. Okay, total 400 pieces in a pallet. This is what the requirement is, and this is what the all business process. Now let's see about how we can achieve this one through the configuration. Okay, and let's have a end-to-end scenario. Okay, from sale order to picking and packing, as well as the PJ. First, I will do the transaction, then we will come to the configuration and master data, what we need to maintain. So this is the business scenario end-to-end up to PGI or in our billing. Then this is the business example. To achieve this business example, what we need to understand is first we need to do the business transactions. So for the business transaction, we need to create a configuration and master data management. Now first I will show you in the front end how the process can be executed, and in the next step I will explain what are the configuration and master data maintenance is required. Okay, let's see. You have a finished goods. Okay, you have a finished goods. So let's see. First, see the IM stock of this finished goods and packaging material. Okay, so these two are packaging material, 3441 and 3442. This is the FG material. This FG material has to pick from the WM location. This packaging material has to pick from the non-WM location. First one is pallet, and 3442 is the boxes. Okay, and WM stock for this is 19598, and IM stock is also 19598. Now we execute the transaction in the front end. Then we'll see the configuration as well as the master data maintenance. Sale order creation, VA01, standard order type OR, shipped party and the sold party and maintaining. Okay, your customer has to be maintained in the sales organization, distribution channel, and the division. I mentioned, say for example, 800, and plant in this, enter. Enter the price of that particular finished goods. Save. Now you created the sale order. Next step is, based on the sale order, you need to create the delivery VL01N. Enter. Enter. The delivery date. Now schedule line delivery. Okay, so check the schedule line delivery. Yes. Is the date. Okay, this is the date it confirmed, 09/10/2023. So 09. Okay. Now you can see here, this is the finished goods, and this is the packaging material which has to be issued that it is our consumed. Okay. If we click on this packing icon here, you can see that one handling unit and two handling unit. Okay. This is the pallet. It's triggered. Means two pallet. One pallet contains 400 pieces, another pallet contains 400 pieces. Okay. You can click on this. You can see here, one handling unit contains 20 boxes, 400 pieces, and one pallet. Okay. Then save this delivery. Now you can see the status not at picked, transfer order required. Now pick this FG from the particular pin from the storage type RK2. Okay. From here, WM process you need to follow to pick this particular finished goods. This auxiliary packaging material, pallet and boxes that is available in non-WM location. Okay, that is available in non-WM location. Okay, this is available in WM location. So which are the WM location is there? Okay, you need to pick that particular material through WM process. You can create a transfer order with the reference to the delivery LT03. That is one thing. Another, you can directly go from here, subsequent function, create transfer order, is enter, select stock removal, processing is background. Okay, save this particular document to create a transfer order, then confirm LT12 or directly you can confirm like this. Enter. Save. Now transfer order is confirmed. So once the transfer order is confirmed, the stock will come to the storage type 916. Okay. Stock will come to the 916 available stock. Once you done the PGI, the stock will deducted or consumed from 916 storage type. Okay. Now let's see what is the status of the delivery. Now status of the delivery WM is transfer order is confirmed. Okay. It is totally picked. Now you need to pick these two pallet and 40 boxes, 20 pieces each in a box. Okay. Now it is fully picked. You can check the handling unit here. System creates here automatically the handling unit. Okay. I'll tell you what is the configuration behind this. After this, you can click on the PGI. Now, here the PGI has been done. You can check the status. All status is confirmed except the billing status. Okay. Now, you can check the stock. You can see the reduction in stock here. 800 reduced from this quantity. Okay. 3441 is the pallet. 2 pallet is required, that is reduced. 3442 is a brown box. Okay. Here 40 boxes is consumed. Click here, refresh it. Stock from 916 is consumed. Now you can check the stock in MM and WM. See, okay, this is how we can do the handling unit management. If you check this delivery, click on this handling unit packing. You can see here system in this particular handling unit. It contains 20 boxes and 400 pieces and one pallet. One pallet contains this particular 20 boxes and each box contain 20 pieces, so total 400. So this handling unit contains one pallet, 20 pieces of brown box and 400 pieces. Okay. Now, let's see what are the configuration is required for this. Okay. So important configuration for required for this is first step, define the number ranges for the handling unit. Okay. Define the number ranges for the handling unit. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, logistic general, handling units, click on basics, define number ranges for the handling unit. Okay. Click on intervals. Here we can define the intervals for the handling unit, and this particular key we need to link to the material type configuration. So the next step is to create the material type for your handling unit. Okay, define packaging material type. Okay. Now I created the two material type which is related to the first is pallet and second is the corrugated boxes. Now this is the, let's see, pallet. Here, in order to determine the packaging material at the delivery level, okay, in order to determine, these are the packaging material. In order to determine at the delivery level, the control is, you need to mention this in the material type level. Plant determined from the first item was packed. Okay. And the next item generation in the packed delivery. These two are responsible for the, one of the configuration is responsible for the identification of the material at the delivery level. And this is the key which you are linking, that is the number range key. Okay. Another material type I created for the boxes. Okay, you need to maintain here item generation first packet delivery as well as plan determined from the first item of packet. In order to bring your material into the delivery. Okay. That is one of the configuration. Once you define the material type, the next configuration is you need to define the material group for the packaging material. Okay. You need to define the material group for the packaging material. Okay. Define material group for the packaging material. Now here pallet and boxes. These two I created the general packaging material group. Okay, material group for the packaging material type. Then next step, you need to allow these particular material groups to material type. Allow packaging material. Here you need to allow your material group to the material type. Okay. It is better to allow all material group to all material type to minimize the error while doing the transaction. So here what I did, the material group, which is the pallet and the boxes, I link it to both pallet and box material type. What I mean to say, I linked these brown boxes not only to the boxes but also to the pallet. Okay, that one you need to link. So these first step we need to do for the basic configuration of the handling unit. First one, maintain database. First one, the number range for the handling unit. Okay. Next one, allow packaging material. Before that, you need to define the packaging material type as well as packaging material group and link that material group to the packaging material type. Okay. So this is what we need to do, the basic configuration in the handling unit. Okay. Now define the packaging material type, then define the material group for the packaging material type, and then link it. Okay, then link it. Then after that, whenever you're creating the delivery, you need the storage location to be picked automatically. Okay. For that purpose, what we need to do, the configuration. Okay. It will not pick that particular storage location automatically. You want your own specific storage location to be hit. Then configuration you need to do. That is under the logistic execution, shipping, then picking, then determine picking location, assign picking location. Okay, assign picking location. So it is under the logistic execution. The impact of this particular configuration is by default the storage location to hit in the delivery. For that, we need to do the configuration in logistics execution, not in logistic general. We need to come to the logistic execution, then you need to come to the shipping. Okay. Then picking. Determine picking location, then assign picking location. Okay. Logistic execution, shipping, picking, define picking location, and assign picking location. Here in assign picking location, what we are assigning is what is your shipping point, what is your plant, what is your store condition 01 or 02. Okay. That if you are nothing is there, you blank it. So what you make it default. Then what will happen? System will automatically pick the storage location which is required to pick. Okay, as per your this configurations. So for this storage condition, you will be maintaining in the customer master sales area data as well as in the material master as a master data maintenance. Okay. So first we need to do the configuration. Second, here impact is picking the storage location at the delivery level document. Then you have to do the master data for this. So master data means availability check, which is linked to the checking rule that you need to define here. That particular availability check is again linked to the delivery. Okay. Shipping condition is linked to the delivery. Now, shipping tab means shipping condition, a storing condition. Okay, it is linked to the customer master sales view shipping tab. Okay, so this is the main configuration to determine the storage location at the delivery level. Okay, next step, packing instruction. This is important. Now, what is your packing? You have a pallet and you have a box. So packing instruction you need to create in the T code POP1. Enter. Okay, then enter. Now here you need to create the packing instruction for the higher authority. Like now you're going to do the pallet, means now this is the pallet, this is the first pallet. Okay, next one is your boxes. So this is your boxes. How many boxes you need in a one pallet? 20. Then M, material. So what is the material? This is the material. How much you'll keep in one pallet? 400. So this is how you have to maintain the packing instruction. I already maintained the packing instruction, so that is available. I will just display it. 281. So here I maintained these components and in the additional tab you need to maintain this profile. Okay. Then in the component you need to maintain. Okay, this is the material which is to be packed. Okay, and this is the boxes. This is the pallet. Okay. Okay. So this is the configuration steps. Okay. We need to do next. Number ranges, we define it. After that, we defined the packaging material type and the material group. We link the material group to the packaging material type. Then to pick the location automatically, we have done the configuration in the shipping. Okay. That is for the assigned picking location. Now next is packing instruction. So we have done the packing instruction with the T code PO P1. Okay, it is something like first we need to define first hierarchy. Okay, so this is the packing instruction. That means one pallet includes the boxes is 20, pieces is 40. Okay. Now here you can see the category. Okay, first one is category is A, B, and C. So what is A? Load carrier. So one is you need to consider as a load carrier. Under that load carrier, this one you can consider as a auxiliary packaging material. Okay. Now next. Next configuration. Once you've done the packing instruction, you need to maintain a condition record. Okay. Condition record in POF1 means this particular material, and this is the shipping party. My copying packing instruction is 241. This you need to maintain in POF1. Once you're done with that, another main configuration is delivery type. Okay. So whenever you're creating the deliveries, there will be a delivery type. This particular delivery type, I'll show you where it will link. Okay. Delivery type. So standard delivery type for this particular delivery is LF. LF is the standard delivery type for this particular document. That is delivery document. Okay. Now let's see. How we can take the control of the delivery type. So it is in the logistics execution. Under the logistic execution, deliveries, shipping, deliveries, delivery type. So for this particular delivery type is LF. Here, important configuration is automatic packing as well as general packing material item. So automatic packing means once you created the delivery, system will create the handling unit automatically. That means once you created a delivery, if you click on this particular icon, this packing material will be created automatically here. Okay, or handling unit are created automatically. Okay, so control is at the delivery type. Now general packing item, packing material in the item. So whenever you create a delivery, you want the packaging material also be the part of this particular delivery document. Then you need to select the checkbox here. Okay, you need to select the checkbox here. Okay, understood? So this is how is the control. Okay, that is what I have written here. Another thing, whatever the material, you need to extend to the sales view. Extend to the sales view. Next is item category determination for the packaging line item. So in the delivery, you can see that there will be a item category for this particular material. How we can determine? So you're determining, first one is the configuration. First is the configuration. Okay, item category determination. That is shipping, deliveries, define item category determination in delivery. Item category determination in the delivery under the logistic execution. Here, what is your delivery type? LF is delivery type. The item category group is VERP. For this item category is TAM. Okay. Any delivery, if you are seeing this item category, because of this configuration, as well as material master data maintenance in the sales view. If we go to sales view, okay. We go to sales view. You can see item category group is VERP. So that VERP item category, which is maintained the material master, linked to the delivery type as well as item category. This prompts what is the item category at the delivery level. Okay, what is the item category at the delivery level? Okay, so This is the configuration. Next. So these are the configuration you need to do in order to display the packaging material at delivery. Okay, as well as handling unit automatically create at the time of delivery. Okay, this is how about the total steps of handling unit. So you can check in the, this is about your business scenario as well as the transaction execution. Okay. Now in PO P1, you are creating the packing instruction, and there will be one more transaction POF1. Okay. Okay, or POF1 is the condition record you need to maintain for the determination of the handling unit. That is POF1, or F2 is for the change. So here I maintain it as per the material and ship to party. We select this material and ship to party. I entered the finished goods and POF2. Okay. Material and ship to party. Material and ship to party, you need to maintain the condition record. So this completes about the handling unit management integration with the MM. And I sent a PPT for this, and what is the business example and what is the configuration we need to do to achieve this process in SAP. Okay. Thank you.